Welcome to online classes. I will explain from page number 23. Before explaining, I will refer some sentences as a continuation and references. There are planets that have been discovered outside of our solar system that have a very hot, methane-rich environment, kind of similar to what is in the crater. So, in essence, we are looking for alien life right here on Earth. It's a very volatile place. Connie says of the door to hell. To give you an example of is volatile, at one point I kneel down on the ground and I am digging in the sand to try and gather some samples from the little below the surface. As I am digging with a small hand shovel, fire is coming out of the hole that I am digging. I just open up a new vent as I am digging down there. The soil samples were given to Dr. Stephen Green, the microbiologist on the expedition. From there, now I'll go. Now from book, Green says that a few kinds of bacteria were discovered in the soil from the crater floor. Dr. Stephen Green, the microbiologist who studies the branch of science that deals with the microorganism, he says that a few types of bacteria were detected in the soil from the crater floor. Explanation 2. The Dr. Stephen Green, the microbiologist who was the crew member of this mission, says that a few sorts of bacteria were invented in the soil from the crater's bed. Explanation 3. Dr. Stephen Green, the microbiologist who was the member of the mission, tells that a few categories of bacteria were disclosed in the soil from the bed of the crater. Now, from the book, these extremophiles appear to be what Green calls enriched by the door to hell's high temperature and low nutrient levels, among other things. Dr. Stephen Green calls the extremophile a microorganism that lives in conditions of extreme temperature, acidity or chemical concentration, which was enhanced by the door to hell's high temperature and low nutrient levels, among the other things. Explanation 2. Dr. Stephen Green calls the extremophiles, which was improved by the door to hell's high temperature and to nutritious level, among the other which were available in the crater's bed. Explanation 3. The Stephen Green calls the extremophiles were upgraded by the door to hell's extreme temperature, and those have low nutrients value, among the other things which were available in the crater's floor. Now from book, along with this discovery of unexpected life in one of the Earth's most inhospitable places, the door to hell has an out of this world tinge it to, according to the cornice. Along with the invention of the unanticipated life in one of the Earth's most barren places. The door to hell has an out of this world shape to its according to Cornish. Explanation 2. As per the explorer Cornish, along with this recognition of abrupted life in one of the earth's most lonely places, the door to hell has an out of the world color. Explanation 3. The explorer Cornish tells that after the detection of unforeseen life of the earth is found in the barren place, the door to hell has an out of this world cast. Now from the book, the orange glow from the flames make the ground completely orange and the walls of the crater looks orange, he says. The explorer and adventurer George Cornish tells that the orange light from the flames makes the ground completely orange as well as of the crater walls. Explanation 2. The expeditioner and explorer George Cornish expresses that the orange shine from the fire makes the ground and the walls of the crater completely orange. Explanation 3. The adventurer and traveler George Cornish says that the orange gleam from the blazes make the ground and the walls of the craters completely orange. Now from book, it really reminds me of being on the place like Mars where you have the orange or red soil. It is just has an other earthly feel. Cornish explanation on Cornish here comparing the orange color of crater with the soil of the Mars. He states it really recalls him of being on a place like Mars where we have that orange or red soil. It is just has an otherworldly feel. Explanation 2. Cornish compares the orange color of the crater door to hell with the Mars. Here describes that it is really recollects him of being on a plane like Mars, being on a place like Mars where we have that orange or red soil. It is just has on other worldly feel. Explanation 3. Cornish compares the orange color of the crater with the Mars. As per him, it is really points out him of being on a place like Mars where we have that orange or red soil. It is just as the earthly feel. It is the symbolic of the orange color of the crater and the orange or red soil of the Mars. Now this chapter already completed, so now you can go for opposite word of this chapter. Opposite word you can write in your copy. Number 1, memorable. 2, extreme. 3, recent. 4, remote. 5, exciting. 6, decent. 7, large. 8, definitely. 9, challenge. 10, obstacle. 11, permission. 12, gain. 13, tremendous. 14, unbearable. 15, probably. 16, extraction. 17, gigantic. 18, interior. 19, core. 20, entire. 21, volatile. 22, enrich. 23, inhospitable. 24, levels. 25, few. 26, fact. Total 26 words. You have to search out the opposite of this word. Number 1, memorable. 2, extreme. 3, recent. 4, remote. 5, exciting. 6, decent. 7, large. 8, definitely. 9, challenge. 10, obstacle. 11, permission. 12, gain. 13, tremendous. 14, unbearable. 15, probably. 16, extraction. 17, gigantic. 18, interior. 19, core. 20, entire. 21, volatile. 22, enrich. 23, inhospitable. 24, levels. 25, few. 26, facts. It is the words already given. Words, total words 26. Now I will hold my copy. You can take a snapshot of this page. If it is possible to check